Welcome to Kumbasoft DPAA tutorials. This tutorial is about how to delete directories from your appliances using the DataPower Administrator's Assistant. So be sure to set your video playback to high definition, and though some visual details of DPAA may have changed since this video was created, the functionality will be the same. In a different tutorial video about creating directories, we created these two directories within these four appliances within this domain. In this video, we're going to go about deleting them. To start out, it's interesting to note that if you delete a parent directory of another subdirectory, then both directories will be removed, and we're going to demonstrate both cases of this. So I'm going to select the first two appliances here, and I'm going to select this directory to delete. We're going to select a delete button above the directories list, and I get a wizard just telling me this directory is going to be removed. And of course, if the directory contains any files, all of those files will also be removed from the appliances when you delete the directory. I'm going to select Finish. At this point, the directories had been deleted, and you can see that the screen is automatically refreshed, and we only have the new directory or the parent directory displayed there. To show the difference, I'm going to select these two appliances, and I'm going to select the parent directory to delete the parent directory. In this case, it's again giving us the warning, but now it's more significant because we have a subdirectory as well. So all files within this directory and all files within this directory will also be removed if we complete deleting them. I'm going to click Finish, and DPAA is now done and removed the new directory, parent directory, from those two appliances. And you can see that the screen is refreshed and both directories are now gone. And if I go back to these two appliances, you can see that the new directory is still here because we only deleted the subdirectory other. And of course, we can now go about removing that directory if we want to complete this process all the way through to get rid of the remaining directory of those two appliances. And now none of the four appliances within this domain contain either of those directories anymore. So it's just as simple as that. If you want to see more, you can go out to www.kumbasoft.com, go to the Features and Tutorials page, and you can watch any number of videos to learn all the features of the DataPower Administrator's Assistant. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.